I knew you'd come. You always do as you're told, don't you?
What?
You look for a reason, because you don't want to be swept into a fight. But all you do is look. You do nothing to follow that desire. That is why you are so eager to make someone else's reason your own.
What's your point?
Your companions could get hurt, yet they'd still have the will to continue their search. But what about you? You're nothing but a puppet that gets swept away, unable to make any decisions on its own.
You're wrong.
So, I'll continue to provide you with a reason. Every time you need one.
Shut up! I had enough of being told what to fight for. I came here of my own will.
All you've ever wanted was to cling to old memories.
You're the one who can't let go!